Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to export Obsidian Notes. First, open your Obsidian Notes and go to the top right and click on the three dots. Here you'll have the option to export to PDF. Now you can change the page size, the margin, and include the name as title. After that, just go ahead and export to PDF. Now you can save your file. If you want to export to other format, what you need to do is go to settings at the bottom, then go to community plugins at the left hand panel. Now just go ahead and browse, and in here search for enhancing export. Click on it, then just go ahead and install the plugin. Once installed, just enable it, then close. Now click again on the three dots at the top right, and here you have the option to export to. If you click on the drop down for type, you can now choose the format that you'd like for your notes, and just click on export once done. And that's just basically it. That's how you export Obsidian notes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.